In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment page on WordPress with Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll have a working booking page and an embedded scheduler on your WordPress site that visitors can use right away. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Bookings. Click the official Microsoft link, then sign in with your work or school account. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new booking page and select the plus button to create one. You'll be asked whether you want to start from scratch or clone an existing booking page. Cloning is helpful if you already have a setup you like and want to reuse its settings. Otherwise, starting fresh is perfectly fine. Next, add a booking name that clearly describes your appointments. Upload a logo to keep your branding consistent. Choose the business type that best fits your work and set your business hours. Double-check the time zone here so your availability shows correctly to visitors. When everything looks good, click Next. You'll see an option to invite staff. Choose people from the list if you want multiple team members to take appointments. If it's just you for now, go ahead and click Next to continue. Remember, staff calendars and permissions affect availability, so be sure those are set correctly later if you add more people. Now, set up a service. Microsoft Bookings usually provides a pre-made service you can customize. Update the service name, set the duration, and define when the service is available. If you want the appointment to automatically generate an online meeting, select the option to make it a Teams meeting. This adds a meeting link to confirmations, which is great for virtual sessions. When you're happy with the details, click Next. You'll be asked who can book appointments. The options are no self-service, people in my organization, or anyone. For a public booking page that anyone can use, choose anyone. Keep in mind that opening bookings to the public may increase traffic, so set clear durations and buffers to manage your schedule. Once your booking page is configured, click the Share icon. Choose Embed, select the iframe option, and copy the HTML code. In your WordPress editor, add a custom HTML block on the page where you want the scheduler to appear, paste the iframe, and preview. Adjust width and height if needed for a clean, responsive fit, then publish your page. That's it. Your Microsoft Bookings scheduler is now live on your WordPress site.